One morning, your phone is dead. No internet, no GPS. Cities are plunged into darkness, and the world as you know it has stopped. The sun is to blame, and scientists warn it's only a matter of time. And what if I told you we're overdue for the next big one? Solar storms, massive explosions of energy from our sun, could bring life on Earth to a standstill. But what are these storms, and how close are we to experiencing their devastating impact? The answers might surprise and terrify you. The sun is more than a glowing sphere of light. It's a fiery cauldron of magnetic chaos. Picture its magnetic fields as tangled wires that occasionally snap, releasing massive bursts of energy. These outbursts come in two forms: solar flares, intense flashes of radiation, and coronal mass ejections, or CMEs, giant clouds of charged particles. A solar flare is like a cosmic lightning bolt, while a CME is more like a plasma hurricane, hurling billions of tons of material into space at 1,000,000 miles per hour. Imagine the weight of 10,000 skyscrapers hurtling toward Earth. Most of these storms miss us. But what happens when Earth is caught in the crossfire? The past holds a chilling answer. In 1859, the Carrington event unleashed the most powerful solar storm ever recorded. The night sky erupted with auroras so vivid they could be seen in the tropics. Telegraph systems, the cutting-edge technology of the time, burst into flames. Operators reported being shocked by their equipment as surges of electricity coursed through the lines. Now, imagine the same event striking today. GPS systems would fail, leaving planes unable to navigate. Power grids could collapse, plunging hospitals, businesses, and homes into total darkness. Satellites would fry, cutting off global communications. Experts estimate the economic fallout would reach trillions of dollars, with recovery taking years. But this wasn't a one-off event. In fact, we narrowly avoided disaster just over a decade ago. In 2012, a solar storm of Carrington proportions erupted. The CME barreled through space, but by pure luck, Earth wasn't in its path. If the storm had struck, we would have faced a world without modern technology. Picture this: airports in chaos as flights are grounded indefinitely. Supermarkets running out of food within days as supply chains crumble. Families unable to contact loved ones as phones and internet fail. Streets eerily quiet with no cars or lights. This isn't fiction, it's the future we narrowly avoided. The sun's activity follows an 11-year cycle, and we're now entering a peak period. Scientists warn that the odds of a major solar storm in the near future are higher than ever. When solar particles collide with Earth's atmosphere, they create auroras, breathtaking displays of color that dance across the night sky. But these shimmering lights come with a warning. In 1989, a geomagnetic storm, essentially a surge of energy that can overload power grids, caused a blackout in Quebec, Canada, leaving millions without power for 9 hours. That storm, though disruptive, was mild compared to what the sun can unleash. The next major solar storm could create auroras visible around the globe, but it would also bring devastating consequences. Imagine the lights going out and staying out for weeks or even months. But the true danger lies beyond the lights. Our modern world wasn't built to withstand the sun's fury. Power grids, satellites, and even the internet are all susceptible to the electromagnetic waves unleashed by solar storms. A single CME could overload transformers, causing cascading failures that shut down entire countries. Agencies like NASA monitor solar activity, providing early warnings when storms are imminent. But even the best systems offer only a few hours of notice, not nearly enough time to prevent widespread damage. While some governments are investing in more resilient infrastructure, the global effort is disjointed. For now, we remain dangerously unprepared. When we think of natural disasters, we often imagine hurricanes, earthquakes, or floods. But a solar superstorm would be unlike anything humanity has ever faced. Imagine this. A mother sits in the dark, trying to comfort her children. The food in the fridge has spoiled, and clean water is running out. The family huddles together for warmth as freezing temperatures creep in. Outside, the streets are silent. No cars, no lights. Hospitals, overwhelmed and powerless, turn away patients. Planes remain grounded, stranding millions around the world. This isn't just a hypothetical. It's a glimpse into what could happen if we fail to act. Every second, magnetic storms churn beneath the sun's surface, waiting to explode. The 2012 near miss was a warning shot. Scientists agree, it's not a question of if another Carrington-scale event will strike, it's a matter of when. The good news? We have the tools to prepare. By investing in stronger infrastructure, creating better predictive models, and educating the public, we can reduce the risks. But action must happen now, before the sun catches us off guard. While governments and scientists tackle the larger challenges, there are steps you can take to prepare for a solar storm. Start by assembling an emergency kit with essentials like batteries, solar chargers, and non-perishable food. Learn how to access news and updates through non-digital means, like a battery-powered radio. Awareness is the first step. By understanding the risks, you can help protect yourself and your community. The sun gives us life, light, and energy, but it also reminds us of our vulnerability. Every flare, every CME is a reminder that we are part of a universe governed by forces far beyond our control. The sun is both a creator and a destroyer, a force we must respect and prepare for. The question is, will we be ready when the next storm strikes? The next time you rely on GPS or send a text message, think about how much of your life depends on the sun behaving itself. What happens when it doesn't? Let us know your thoughts in the comments and share this video to help spread awareness, because understanding this threat could make all the difference. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more explorations into the forces that shape our world, because the best way to face the unknown is to stay informed and stay curious.